Hi everyone, this is the XK4 engine from Peugeot 204 from 1975, and I want to take the engine apart because I don't think there is anything useful over here, since this sat in the rain and everything for the last year, and even the car that it was taken off from was sitting from 1999. So the best thing we can do with that engine is to take it apart, and it shared the block with the transmission, and I think the transmission could be a good donor for parts or even for a rebuild. So let's start taking it apart. Oh, whew, that smell.
Wow. מה זה, שמן?
כן. פוס.
גם זה. זה?
לא, זה סבבה.
זה אותו דבר.
לא.
זה במשנה.
In the meantime, until it will do anything, I will take apart other things.
זה לא מה עשה. Here is the rim of the road.
Down there are the nuts of the head. Let's take off the water pump.
Now I'm going to check the plate. I know that it looks red, but I know the part is not here. So when they ride after push, it's very, very bad.
Okay. You have to see what's going on here. This is a very rare part because it always seized and rusts down. בוא נפרק אותו ככה. נפרק את הפלנץ'. I start with taking off this water flange. Things are pretty easily. It's so easy working on the engine when it's not on the car.
It's so easy to walk on the fuel tank. Air conditioning is on my side. כל כך קל שהמזגן הוא עליי. רוצים
It's the first bolt. Cut off.
French the line.
Woo! Okay. זה יותר קשה. יפה, התום יחסית טוב למשהו בין 100. פריי בר. If this engine was in a good shape, I wouldn't be there doing such a thing. Okay, I can pry it out because of the broken bolt, and I don't have to because it doesn't matter if it stays in place or not.
Okay, so currently I screwed it upside down, the opposite side to the left to the right.
Starting with the clutch.
So now I will show you what we do. We disassemble everything and we...
Starting with the clutch pump, clutch slave cylinder. One, and the other bolt is not reachable. Okay, let's try like this. Okay, I can do it. Good.
Mistake.
So everyone wants to know how the clutch is working. The cylinder is pressing it while we are pushing the pedal. It is pressed against the plate. It's hard to do it with hand, but then this plate is pressed against the clutch and the clutch disconnecting from the engine. Let's get back to the head. Hopefully it will get loose this time. It does. It hasn't moved a bit. Okay. Opa. Wow, wow. Yes, that's not a good engine. It still have water inside. Let's take out the timing. timing cover is out. Now let's remove the tensioner. It's an hydraulic tensioner. It gets oil from the engine and then it pushes to the chain. Okay, I think all we're left with are those few bolts that are not want to come out. Okay, now we know we had water inside the the oil. Wow. After another hit, let's try again. Maybe I can just take off the block completely from the transmission. Let's try it out. Finally! Yeah. Oh! Opa! Ah! Why? Wow! Ha! Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, so the head is out. I think to take up the transmission I need to take off the flywheel, and for that I will need to extract the clutch. So I have a clutch extractor at home, but not right here. Well, look at the pistons. Wow, wow, wow. This doesn't look good at all. I will finish the job with taking out the sump by removing the sump. צרפתים! Opa! Okay, so I came back to the car and I have here the clutch puller. It's a full kit and I don't really know how to use it, but I will figure out during the process. And it will be time-lapse because it's not very interesting. Why? Why? This is the block, finally. This is the gearbox, finally. Wow.